Hello friends, good evening. Today we will talk of a red hot share that will give us quickest forecasting method with strongest chart pattern, that is head and shoulder. Well friends, today what I am talking to you is of BIKAJI International. This is actually a recent listing. I think it is just about 9 or 10 months or maybe 1 year's time, but it has been producing an excellent results always. And if you see this, how this stock actually for the last 15 days is showing, it is a red hot stock at present, and the results are due on 6th of November. Friends, let us check with the fundamentals before going into the details of this stock and how much money we will get, right? So we will just go and check the quarterly results of this. As a matter of practice, before buying any stock, the trader must look for the fundamentals, even if it is 5 times in couple of months. So when we see the sales here, you can see there is a continuous increase in the sales, 458, 477. Operating profit has gone whooping from 58 to 64, and nevertheless 3 things that we always check is the sales, which is already up. Then we will see other 2 parameters. So operating profit margin, that is the EBIT margin, it has gone from 12.69 to 13.45. Net profit margin has whooping from 7.92 to 9.20%. So, and this you see, even the last year also from 4.26 it has doubled. Here actually the operating margin also has doubled. So this actually by all means, fundamentally the stock appears to be very, very strong. Friends, let us have a check on the stock and know the full story. BIKAJI actually, you know, is a FMCG company of Calcutta, and its products are available virtually on all the outlets of the country, all the retail, grocery shops, malls and everywhere. The shop runs successfully because of BIKAJI's bhujia, aloo bhujia and what not. Let's check here. Friends, first we see that the results are on 6th of November 2023 and today we are on 17th. So that means there are clear, say roughly about another 15, minimum 15 to 18 working days of the share market. You can see the share is in the uptrend as yet. And when I just checked out the MACD also is plus 0.5. Just today only the MACD has come up over the zero line, and RSI actually is little showing towards downward trend. Now what has happened here is today actually the market, today this share actually has fallen from 496 to 488. You can just see here, because we will be talking of this shortly, and see here today the maximum today it is 496, it is 533.52. So let's come back to this. So this is in the uptrend. MACD is showing the positive, RSI is not showing positive, and the volume also is not very encouraging as on date. Friends, let us go further up. Now you see, we are going to check this with the trend reversal pattern. Friends, if you really see here, now this is actually one, if I were to mark it, see, this is one shoulder, then it is down head, then it has gone up like this, then again there is it is down, and finally this is up. So this is one shoulder, this is another shoulder, this is head. So we call it head and shoulder. Friends, this head and shoulder is a very, very powerful, it's a very powerful chart pattern, and it is a trend reversal pattern. Now to get this very clearly, what we do is we just see this here. Now you can see the same thing you can see here in the line chart. Okay, this is the head here, this is one shoulder, this is another shoulder. Now these two shoulders, you have the neck, you know, as human beings also have shoulders and head above the neck. So this distance is 475 to 470 to 480. This distance again is the target price actually is 497 something, which it has gone today, right? So the target price actually it has touched today as far as the chart pattern is concerned. Now friends, what do we do here? What we have to do, understand here is that the results of these are due on 6th of November. What should we do, right? So before going ahead, friends, let us see that the support price is coming at 470. The first target is 495, which it has seen today. The next target is 528, or as I have said earlier, it was 533. That was 52-week high, and I think in all likelihood before 6th of November it is going to cross 533. I can't guarantee, share market is anything but guarantee, right? Now friends, under the circumstances, you know, what should we do, right? Now sorry, one thing I just forgot to tell you, that this head and shoulder pattern is a trend reversal pattern. It is excellent for intraday and swing trading. It is excellent for intraday and swing trading. Now coming back here, that we have seen head and shoulder pattern is there, the target is achieved, but still there is a target of 530, 535, which is its 52-week high. Now what do we do? Friends, the best way is to check it up with weekly charts. So when I see this is a weekly chart, same chart, it is a weekly chart. Weekly chart says at 477 there is a buy and you continue up. When you don't understand anything, put the share on the weekly chart and see if the price is, this is the, 2 is the price line, this is above the moving average of 2. Necessarily in weekly chart the moving average is 2, because share market works 5 days in a month. Moving average of 2 means that 5 plus 5, that means the moving, this is the average price of 10 working days, right? On daily chart you can take 10 working days. On the weekly chart, for the purpose of clarity, you can put the moving average of 2, as I have put it here. You can see I have put it here, and moving average of 2 says yes, you should buy. So my conviction is that you should buy. Nevertheless, take the advice of your financial advisor or the broker or whomsoever you consult. Friends, I want to tell you one thing. मैं हिंदी में इसको मैं बोलूँगा कि जब तक शेयर मार्केट की मिट्टी भस्म की तरह से अपने माथे पे नहीं लगाएंगे ना, तब तक आप जो है शेयर मार्केट में पैसा नहीं कमा सकते हैं. मेरे पे डिपेंड मत करिए, किसी पे डिपेंड मत करिए. खुद समझिए कि ये जो शेयर मार्केट है ये क्या है, इसकी रफ्तार क्या है, इसकी छोटी सी अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्या है. बस मुझे आप यही कहना है, शेयर मार्केट के अंदर जो है आप किसी की सलाह मत मानिए, अपनी सलाह, अपनी इंटेलिजेंस से, सलाह से काम करिए. यू विल बी एबल टू अर्न द मनी. सो फ्रेंड्स, BIKAJI from my side, it is yes. Rest is up to you. Thank you very much and have a nice day.